In this video, I'll show you how to prevent X, formerly Twitter, from using less network data so you can keep your media and content loading the way you want. This is a quick settings change, and it's perfect if you want to stop data saver mode from reducing image and video quality or limiting how much data the app uses. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X or twitter.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More to open the additional menu options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account and app preferences you can manage. Next, find and click Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section controls how the platform looks, behaves, and uses certain content settings. Inside that menu, click Data Usage. Here you'll see the option related to data saver and network usage. Now simply toggle off data saver. Once it's turned off, X will stop using the reduced data setting, which can help improve how media loads while giving you more control over your browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed the data usage setting on X and prevented the app from using less network data. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.